Hello friends, subscribe Technology and press the bell icon to never miss the updates.
Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel Technology. So today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to fix you don't have the permission to access folder or drive in your Windows 10 computer. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, you need to go to your file manager. So let me minimize this. So you have to go to this PC, and after that right click on that drive and click on properties, and here you will get lots of options like security, tools and hardware. So you have to go to the security tab over there and click on this edit tab. After that you have to click on this add, and now you have to type over there everyone, and after that click on check names, and you can see under everyone you will see one line over there. So that's when it's selected. So now click on OK, and after that you have to give the full control to your user. Okay, so now click on apply and then OK. So after that it will take some time. So now click on yes, and after that done, it will you can access all your folder and files and drives. So I hope this small video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any questions or questions then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.